Welcome. Today we'll learn how to balance chemical equations by working through an example, the decomposition of copper sulfate into copper oxide and sulfur trioxide. Let's start by writing out our unbalanced equation. On the left side, we have copper sulfate CuSO4. This decomposes as shown by the arrow into copper oxide, CO, plus sulfur trioxide, SO3. Let's count the atoms of each element on both sides of the equation. For copper, we have one atom on the left and one atom on the right. For sulfur, we have one atom on the left and one atom on the right. For oxygen, we have four atoms on the left, but on the right we have one from CO plus 3 from SO3, giving us four total. Since we have the same number of atoms of each element on both sides, our equation is already balanced. Let's break down why this equation balances naturally. In copper sulfate CuSO4, we have one copper atom, one sulfur atom, and four oxygen atoms. These atoms simply rearrange to form copper oxide, which takes one copper and one oxygen, and sulfur trioxide, which takes one sulfur and three oxygen atoms. This balanced equation demonstrates the law of conservation of mass. No atoms are created or destroyed in a chemical reaction. They just rearrange to form new compounds. All four oxygen atoms from the copper sulfate are distributed between the copper oxide and sulfur trioxide products. And that's how we verify that a chemical equation is balanced. Remember to always count the atoms of each element on both sides of the equation to ensure they're equal.